Hey guys, someone just contacted me for a quick help with a map issue they're having with Art Rage. I just want to make a quick video to show how to fix this. We have a map right here, and let's go ahead and add some mass to it. Now, when we take our knife brush and we go to Harsh Chaos, if you'll notice as we're adding on the edges of the map, it's going white. That's because the paintbrush is actually scraping all the paint off and moving it away from the edge. So to fix this, we right click anywhere on the canvas, go to canvas settings. There it is right there, canvas settings. Then we change the canvas color to a dark green. And then we lower the opacity of the canvas so we don't see the dark green everywhere. Then when we go back with our knife tool, you can see that it creates a green instead of the white to show what's under the map. And again, quick, going back over, you right click on the map. Let's turn all this off. You right click on the map, you click on canvas settings, you go to canvas color, change your canvas color, then lower the opacity of it, and then it shows up as your canvas color you want. Hope this helps. Thanks and have a great one.